What you're about to witness is not just a repair, it's the resurrection of a forgotten legend. Piece by piece, the secret behind this transformation will be unveiled. It begins with a single act of defiance against decay, a commitment to restore what has been left behind. Stay with us, because the journey is astonishing. Beneath the grime, a story of resilience is waiting. With her own hands, she begins to dismantle the past. Every part holds a memory, a challenge to overcome. She breathes new life into the heart of the machine. An immense effort to lift a heavy history. The mechanics of rebirth are intricate and demanding. Every detail is meticulously tended to. Slowly, the years of neglect are washed away. A painstaking process of purification. Inside the cabin, she ensures every function is restored. A final inspection of her remarkable work. The last traces of its former life are polished away. The truck now stands transformed, a testament to her will. But her work is far from over. Another challenge emerges, demanding a different kind of strength. Beneath this rusted shell, a different set of problems lie hidden. A meticulous inspection reveals the true extent of the decay. The journey takes an unexpected turn, deep in the wilderness. Trapped by the elements, a new battle of wills begins. With incredible determination, she fights against the mud. Finally freed, the battered vehicle is brought back to Sanctuary. Together, they guide it toward its revival. The process of cleansing begins once more. Each layer of dirt hides the car's true potential. She carefully restores every wheel, every surface. Even the worn interior is given a new chance. The water carries away the remnants of its struggle. A clean slate, ready for a new beginning. The final wash reveals a hidden gleam. The car stands renewed, its ordeal, now a memory. It rolls out, reborn from mud and neglect. Back on the road, a journey continue. A symbol of what can be salvaged through sheer will. The story of redemption is complete. Now, a new project begins, a car with its own secrets. She opens the hood, preparing to face the heart of the problem. Inside, the engine tells a tale of age and wear. Beneath, severe rust threatens the vehicle's very structure. The old wheels hint at the long journey behind it. A steady leak, a symptom of a deeper issue. Every part of this machine resists its revival. She tackles the foundation, replacing what is broken, reshaping the battered exterior with skill and patience, replenishing the essential fluids, the lifeblood of the engine. A careful check to ensure the balance is perfect. The engine is meticulously cleaned and prepared. She turns her attention to the electrical heart of the vehicle, the battery connections, a critical point of failure. Working with precision tools to clear away the corrosion, injecting new fluids, ensuring smooth operation. The makeshift workshop is a theater of transformation. Under the dim light, she verifies every connection. One final polish on the revived engine. She stands back, confident in the machine she has resurrected. Her work on this Daewoo Tico is just beginning. She carefully provides the fuel for its first breath in years. The engine, a complex puzzle of wires and grime. A closer look reveals the intricate challenge ahead. In her modest workshop, she dives into the mechanical heart. Her hands move with a practiced, steady grace. Total focus is required for this delicate operation. She removes the old air filter, choked with dust. Surrounded by tools, she cleans the component meticulously. A new filter is installed, allowing the engine to breathe again. She raises the car, preparing to inspect the undercarriage. The hydraulic jack bears the weight of her project. A moment of weary satisfaction before the next phase. Now, the focus shifts to restoring the car's wounded exterior. She consults her phone, perhaps for guidance or inspiration. Even in this rural quiet, the work is relentless. She applies the body filler, healing the scars in the metal. The treated surface is now smooth, erasing the damage, sanding the filler. She creates a flawless canvas, finally polishing the surface to a perfect shine. With another car, a Daewoo Nexia, the process begins again. She grinds away the old paint, stripping it down to its essence. Her focus is absolute. Her movements precise. Compressed air clears away the dust of the past. She inspects the prepared surface, ready for its new skin. Every imperfection must be removed before painting. A fresh coat of paint begins the car's visible transformation. She applies the paint evenly, restoring its former glory. The entire body receives a new, vibrant finish. Even the smallest details, like the mirror, are removed for care. The part is inspected and prepared for reinstallation. The mirror is carefully placed back on the renewed body. A final check inside the revitalized vehicle. Then, a dramatic rescue from a rice paddy field. The rescued Toyota is brought to the workshop. Its rear heavily damaged. She assesses the damage, planning the complex repair. Opening the hood, she prepares to diagnose the engine. The next chapter of her journey begins. A new vehicle arrives, presenting a fresh set of challenges. This time, it's a black car in need of her expertise. With a flower in her hair, she begins her work on the engine. Her tools are an extension of her skilled hands. In her humble workshop, miracles are performed. From the driver's seat, she contemplates the next step. A video call, perhaps seeking advice or sharing her progress. A thoughtful pause, looking out at the world she is rebuilding. She prepares the vehicle for undercarriage work. The slow, methodical process of cleaning continues. Through the clean windshield, a new vision emerges. She diligently erases all signs of its past life. The entire body is carefully prepped for its transformation. A clean canvas now awaits the artist's touch, preparing the surface for a new coat of paint. She readies her spray gun, mixing the perfect shade. With a steady hand, she applies the first layer of silver. The car's new identity begins to take shape. The hood is coated, gleaming under the light. Every inch is covered with precision and care. The silver finish brings a modern elegance to the old car. The transformation is complete, a shining masterpiece. In a rural yard, another story of neglect awaits. The old silver car sits amidst the clutter of daily life. Trouble finds it on a muddy country road. She assesses the situation, stranded far from her workshop. From behind, the car's predicament is clear. She turns to a different machine, an old electric scooter. Back in her workspace, she begins to dissect it. The scooter's old batteries are the source of the problem. She carefully dismantles the scooter's internal components. Layer by layer, she gets closer to the core issue. The depleted batteries are finally removed. She attempts to recharge them, hoping for a spark of life. Using a welder, she mends the scooter's broken frame. The disassembled scooter lays in pieces around her. A deep focus is required for this intricate reconstruction. The bright spark of the welder fuses metal and hope. She continues the painstaking process of repair. Molten metal solidifies, creating a permanent bond. Now, she begins the reassembly. The scooter starts to take shape once more. Her focus now lies on an old, forgotten electric scooter. With great concentration, she attempts to bring it to life. Her delicate touch works on the smallest of components. She navigates the complex web of internal wiring. The rear brake system requires a careful adjustment. A closer view shows the wear and tear of time. The dusty control unit is secured back into the frame. Every electronic part is inspected with care. She works on the suspension, a key to a smooth ride. The old, too-worn seat is carefully reattached. She disassembles the bodywork to access deeper components. The batteries, the heart of the scooter, are tested These old green cells hold the key to its revival. She carefully reinstalls the battery pack into its housing. The connection must be perfect for the power to flow. Foam padding secures the precious power source. The reassembly is almost complete. The scooter stands whole again, ready for its test. A final, thorough inspection of her handiwork. Beside her creation, she stands as a master of restoration.
A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at Constant Repair Counts for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.